Alright, I want to show you a super cool and useful tip in Excel 2019 to generate some random numbers. This will also help us with some future tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First off, click on cell B2 with your left mouse button, and if you don't see it clicked on right away, just click on it again with the left mouse button. Alright, once we're selected on B2, go up to your formula bar and click with the left mouse button with me. Alright, now once you're highlighted on the formula bar, type this, equal signs, cap locks, RANDBETWEEN. Now turn off caps locks. Now type open parenthesis, number 1, comma, 100, close parenthesis. Now click enter or return. You will see that you generated a random number on cell B2. You can go back to B2 by left mouse button clicking on it. You'll see your formula here entered with your random number. Awesome, nice work. Alright, now go to the corner of the cell until you see your cursor turn to this little black cross. Alright, once you see that, click with your left mouse button and keep holding. Now drag down to B30. Now let go of your left mouse button. Awesome. You know what? Let's just create a couple more. So hold down again with your left mouse button and drag to 33. All right, nice work. You've just created a whole bunch of random numbers. All right, we still need a few more because we got a whole bunch of rows of random numbers. Let's create a whole bunch of columns of random numbers too. Don't worry about cells D3 or D5 that we typed in earlier. They're going to get overwritten with random numbers. All right, go down to the little green box on B33. Click with your left mouse button and keep holding that left mouse button, and then drag to your right all the way over to W33. So go all the way over to W33, just keep holding down that left mouse button, and once you're at W33, release the left mouse button. Nice! You just created a whole bunch of random numbers that we can use in future videos. Pat yourself on the back. Nice work.